I would say that the main challenge when we started the design journey for Servo-c was to make the world's best ventilator even better and enhance the familiar and friendly experience of Servo. We want it to be familiar and at the same time entirely new. For Servo-c, that's clarity. And when trying to make something simple, the go-to option is to remove information. But we have always believed that our users are capable of understanding the complexity that exists within mechanical ventilation. So when we talk about clarity, it's not about removing things, it's about bringing order to complexity, providing the same rich information in a more clear and direct way. But we also use motion to enhance feedback. The new parameter control is a clear representation of that. By animating the change of a value with motion, we can communicate when it's accepted or cancelled, eliminating that split second of a doubt.